Lori Porzinski, and my persuasive speech is on why everyone should recycle. My audience is my husband Joe, my son George,
Hi.
my other son Kyle. My goal is to convince everybody of the importance of why everyone should recycle.
I'm too lazy.
Recycling is a method of reusing materials already created in the world. 3 important reasons why we should recycle are: marine debris are killing our wildlife, space for landfills run out, and we may die if no one takes this seriously. How many of you admit I would recycle, but I'm too lazy?
Me, I'm too lazy. I'm too lazy.
In our kitchen, you'll see that we have recycling on our table. Our truck picks up every 2 weeks. Last week it picked up, and this is only a week since last week to this week. What we do is we take our recycle, we put it in this little bin, and then we just take it out to the deck, and we have recycle bins out on the deck. So it's not that far from the kitchen. So it's not that hard. Here are some recycling facts. According to research done by MIT personnel, the average American throws away 3.5 pounds of trash per day. The average American uses 650 pounds of paper per year. 1 ton of paper from recycled pulp saves 17 trees, 3 cubic yards of landfill space, 7,000 gallons of water, 4,200 kWh, enough to heat a home for half a year, 390 gallons of oil, and prevents 60 pounds of air pollutants. Producing recycled white paper creates 74% less air pollution, 35% less water pollution, and 75% from virgin fibers. Recycling 1 ton of cardboard saves over 9 cubic yards of landfill space. Number of landfills in operation in 1978 was 14,000. In 1988, it was 7,924. In 2001, it went down to 1,858. And in 2006, it went down to 1,754. Recycling 1 ton of newspaper saves 15 trees. Every ton of newspaper recycled saves 4,100 kWh, or enough energy to power a TV for 31 hours. Recycling a soda can saves 96% of the energy used to make a can from one, and produces 95% less air pollution and 97% less water pollution. 1 gallon of oil, when reprocessed, can generate enough energy to meet the electricity needs of a home for half a day. The plastic used in 1 toner cartridge contains about a half quart of oil. According to the NOAA, which is the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, marine debris is defined as any persistent solid material that is manufactured or processed and directly or indirectly, intentionally or unintentionally disposed of or abandoned into the marine environment. One of the main ones is plastic. It happens every day and all over the world. The sad fact is, it is preventable. You can make a difference. Our wildlife eat the debris but can't digest it, so they don't feel hungry, and they die from starvation. Another example is if no one recycles and it all goes to the landfills, we only have so much land. Remember that the land and sea, no matter where you are connected. Also, what about the air we breathe? It could be toxic and hazardous to our health from these landfills. According to the NOAA, the Marine Debris Program, there are garbage patches, which are tiny pieces of plastic in the North Pacific Ocean. There is no island of trash like everyone thinks. Since the ocean is so cold, the plastic does not fully degrade. They get smaller but don't go away and are called microplastics. As I mentioned earlier, a single solution to save our wildlife from marine debris and reduce use of landfills and give us a greater chance of survival in a healthy environment would be to recycle. Get involved. Thank you.
Did you know? Open a basement.
But I don't know. Did it stop?
I don't know. Why would it do that, honey? It shouldn't. If it blanked out, it should not be doing that. It should stay on.
Oh, I think it kept on doing it.
Oh,